students, and welcome to week 8 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week, we are covering chapter 8, which is over the social emotional development in middle and late childhood. So happy midterm. This brings us to the middle of the semester with week 8 here. And let's take a look at our module. So for this week, as I mentioned, we're covering chapter 8. Here's the PowerPoint for that. You'll have a Connect assignment over, it's one of those video assignments where it's relationships with parents at age 11, and then your quiz for chapter 8. So those are due on Sunday. I want to also point out that you'll have a midterm exam due. And so it will cover chapters 1 through 8. I have a little information in here on preparing for the midterm, but I will tell you that, just knowing that you've done those quizzes for those 8 chapters is really good preparation for the midterm exam. And so, but your midterm exam is due on October 25th, which is middle of the week. So these assignments right here are due on Sunday in the module, but I've given you a little bit longer. Of course, you can do it earlier if you want to, but make sure that your midterm exam is completed by Wednesday, October 25th. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week, everybody.